Hello, my fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome to day 5 of this 10-day challenge. Thank you for sticking with me so far. If you're new to this channel and you clicked onto this video, thank you. I want you to subscribe to this channel. Also hit that notification bell so whenever I drop some entrepreneurial content, you are notified. But if you are new to this channel, I do want you to go down in the description below and I want you to check out the other 4 videos. I'm going to link the playlist to those videos down in the description so you can actually go through from step 1 and work your way all the way up. So today we are going to be talking about business plans and how to build your business plan for your new business. So over the course of the past few days, we've been going over, a few things. Number 1, we figured out what business idea we wanted to start. Number 2, we did some market research. Number 3, you actually went in and figured out what structure you wanted to have for your business. And now we are going to be using that information that we found out. And now you're going to be putting that into an actual plan, which is in the business world, we like to call that a business plan. So let's do that now. So what's going to be happening, I am going to go over to my computer and I'm going to show you guys the one-page business plan. There are different reasons to using a one-page business plan, and many of you might just be starting, a side gig. You just want to have a little bit of extra money coming in. So this one-page business plan is going to be ideal for you. But if you're thinking about taking on a bigger operation, I suggest that you check out this video. That is going to be the deluxe business plan, and I go over it in detail from start to finish on how to figure that out and how to fill it out, and I also give you a free template, which I will also link in the description below. So let's head over to the computer. Hey everyone, so here is the one-page business plan that, like I said, is available on my website for a free download. And this is very simple. It's straight to the point, honestly. It's just going to ask you a series of questions that will literally kind of focus your ideas of what your business is going to be, so that when you start selling, or you actually know what you're doing, you know what your business name is, you know what business type you're going to be. So that is basically the structure. Like, what do you want to be, a sole proprietorship? Do you want to be an LLC? You answer all those questions. Once again, if you're going to have a business where there's certain products that you're going to be selling that are higher risk, or $10,000 packages and things like that, I do think you should go with the deluxe business plan. Like I said, it's on my website. So right now, let's just go through it. Let's say my business name is ECG Graphics and Printing. Okay, so that's the name of my business. The business type is going to be ran through my LLC. The overview. So what am I going to be selling? I'm going to be selling graphics, digital graphics, and offset digital, and man, I can't type, and garment printing. Can't type, guys. I apologize. And then who is going to be buying it? I'm going to say small business owners. How will your business idea help people? So provide quality and affordable graphics. Oops, like I said, guys, I can't spell graphics and printing. What will you charge? It will honestly depend. It'll be per project. So I wouldn't want to get into the trap of charging per hour, because that's just not a good thing. I would want to charge per result, and I would do a video on that. It's really good with your pricing, and just for you to hold the value of who you are as a creative and as an entrepreneur. It's much easier for you to charge for results, right, rather than charge for your hourly rate. That's why we are entrepreneurs. We don't want to just work per hour. We want to work for results. Let's do this. So the range would be, the lowest, let's just say, would be $25. I'll just say and up, 25 and up. So how I would get paid is cash and card. I wouldn't want to go in and accept any checks, because we all know that checks, they can bounce and some more stuff. So I wouldn't want that. I would either want cash or card. And then how else would you make money from this project? Honestly, I would be selling any different packages to small businesses. So the way that I would make money off of this project is I would not only just be selling graphics, I can go in and sell bundles. So it can be 5 t-shirts and 25 business cards and a banner. There could be like a trade show special where I give a banner, a tablecloth, things like that. So that's what this is representing. So the next thing is hustling. How will customers learn about your business? It will be through social media marketing or digital marketing. I already have a couple of quick little videos that I do, and I just drop them on my social media page, and I'll also run some Facebook ads. How can you encourage referrals? Offering discounts to current clients. Okay, so that just means if a client were to refer someone, they can get a percentage off of their next order. So success. So this project will be successful when it achieves these metrics. So this is really good for you to just say, hey, what do you want to do to take your business to the next level? You know that this is a business venture. Let's say this is just, you want to see how it works. You want to do this for 2 or 3 months. So you want to basically give yourself a goal of when do you want to either make a informed decision of if you want to continue the business or if you want to stop it. So let's just say the amount of customers, I started out with 0. So a successful amount of customers to me would be, let's say I have 10 to 15 customers. So I've served 10 to 15 customers, or my net profit or my net income would be, let's just say $3,000. So I do this for 3 months, and let's just be a little bit more specific, and I'll say with the next 3 months. So this is me just basically giving myself a goal. So this is gonna make me hustle. This is gonna make me actually go into my social media marketing and start pushing out, because I want to get at least 10 to 15 customers. So I know that I need to go in the rule of 10. I need to promote to maybe 100 people and ask 100 people to buy my service, or maybe even 1,000 people, actually convert them over to actually being customers and paid customers. So specific concern or question. So I think the biggest thing is turnaround time. Turnaround time is probably the biggest thing, especially with Amazon being the e-commerce giant that it is. Everyone wants their stuff like yesterday. So you want to make sure, like, the biggest concern is, can you get your products out as soon as possible to your customers? And then the second question I think would be quality. That is pretty much it. That is the one-page business plan. You can use it as you need. Like I said, this business plan is going to be on my website, so you guys can check that out. And you can download it for free. Welcome back. So your plan of action for today is going to be to download that one-page business plan, and I want you to fill it out for your new business. Okay. Also, if you want to use the deluxe business plan, you can do that as well. But for now, fill out that one-page business plan so you have a general idea of where you want your business to go. And then I want you to start working on that full business plan. Thank you guys for coming. Please like this video. Also, subscribe if you have not done so far. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 6 of the 10-day challenge.